in the middle, and then let the sauce, let it drip.
Tell me, who you really think is more lyrical? Cause every time I go somebody gotta see the medical, and every time I come I'm eating everything that's edible.
Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Mos. As you already know, I cook on this channel. Now on the menu for you guys today, what I'm gonna be doing is steak and potatoes, a breakfast edition. So let's see how that's gonna go, and yeah, it's gonna be quite interesting. Just thinking about the steak, I'm already, yeah, my mouth is watering. Anyway, before we get any further, I need you guys to smash the subscribe button. I need you guys to share, like, comment, and all that good stuff. Don't go anywhere, moving on. Here I've got a potato, a peeled potato. What you want to do is quite simply chop it up, dice it up basically into little square pieces. Okay, done. Just pour it in there. Come on, get a move on. Right, now what you want to do is marinate it with what? Pinch of salt, pinch of pepper. I'm going to put some mixed herbs in there. Okay. I'm going to put some turmeric just to give it a nice colour. Followed by paprika, generously. This is, I think, smoked. Yeah, smoked paprika. Right, and then finally I'm going to put a pinch of olive oil. And what you want to do is mix the whole shebang. Did I mention I've got the oven on preheat at 200? It's been going on for about a good 10 minutes now. So yeah, time to bring out the bad boy. That's our tray. What you want to do is dump it all in there. Okay, you hear that sizzle? Get all that nice juice and all of that. Okay, all you want to do is kind of like pattern it out, just so it doesn't overlap each other or anything. Right, now stick this bad boy back in the oven. Keep it a little bit low, 160. Yeah, move this. Now on the same thing, what you want to do, 2 pieces of steak. I'm not going to be needing one, but I'm going to make both just to get things going. What you want to do is season it. Come on. Okay. There you go. Season it. Lovely. Put the pan on, get your heat going. Get some olive oil, stick it in there. Get the heat of that going and all. Right. Give it a couple of minutes, I'll be back. You want to heat this up. Once it's hot and ready, then we put the meat. Okay, it's been a minute or so. Now it's time to put our steak in the pan. Off it goes. Okay. Let it cook, take its time, do its thing, you know, leave it 2 to 3 minutes on each side, and then we see how it goes. So guys, it's been a few minutes, but as you can tell, there's a lot less oil in there, simply because I withdrew some of it. It was a bit too much. I'm just gonna flip it over, and do it gently, right? Give it a couple of more minutes. Right. Give this bad boy a couple of minutes. go on, and then meanwhile, you'll get your potatoes, wiggle it about a little bit, alright, just like so, and then put it back in the oven. As this is going on, I'm going to put just one garlic. I didn't get time to get any rosemary, right? No rosemary, no parsley, no coriander. Didn't get a chance. Now, what you also want to do is get a nice bit of butter. Let that melt, mix it all up. Look at that. This is going to be beautiful, guys. I'm telling you. Get that butter, melt all around. Okay. Beautiful, beautiful, absolutely beautiful. Look at that. We're getting there. Right, ladies and gentlemen, I've flipped these bad boys around a couple of times. They are pretty much so ready. And all I'm going to do is take them off the heat. Just let it drip off. Place it there. And the other one, place it there. Right, get another pinch of butter. Let this bad boy melt, right? All the excessive fat from that, didn't want to mix it up. So this is what you want to do. I've checked on our potatoes, they're looking good. You just want it to, you know, get ready a bit more, cook it a little bit longer, and then we should be good to go. Let this bad boy melt, bring it down to the middle, and then you want to crack 2 eggs in there, right? So I'm just going to get a bit of paprika, sprinkle it on, okay? And just to wiggle things about a little bit. Okay? Just to get out from being just plain and all of that. Okay? Do me eggs, mate. Crack one in there. Crack another one in there. Right? Let that go on. Try not to get the egg out of the pan like I did, making a mess. Let it go on, just do its thing gently. Season it with a pinch of salt, not too much, like I did. Right, just keep an eye on it. You don't want to boil, you don't want to cook it all the way. You want to get the yellow bit to stay a little bit juicy and soggy. So keep an eye on it, make sure it's good. Moving over to our lovely, lovely steak. You want to just cut it up into little pieces. Damn it, should have sharpened up my knife. As always, blunt knife. Doesn't want to bloody cut a thing. Rather clean plate. And all you want to do is get that, okay, am I going to be able to lift it all in one go? Yeah, bad boy, okay, and what you want to kind of do is space it out a little bit, okay, just a slight. Get some air in between and whatever. Okay. And now, what we need is to turn off the oven. Let me get this bad boys out. Got a nice, lovely, rather cooked, crispy potatoes. And then you just want to chuck it in there on the side. Be careful. Voila. This is that the right thing to use. Put an egg on top and put an extra one on the side. Okay. There you have it, ladies and gentlemen. Oh, let me just make this a bit more clear. Only if I had a pinch of a, what do you call it? Parsley or some sort of herb, fresh herb. Clean that up a little bit, right? And there you are, ladies and gentlemen, bon appetit. And all you want to do is just cut that in the middle and then let the sauce, let it drip, drippy drip. Might as well do the other one. There you are, ladies and gentlemen. Bon appetit. Oh, I don't think you guys saw that. Yeah, just dig the hole in them two, spread it out. Bon appetit, share, like, comment, and subscribe, guys. I'll see you in the next video.
Tell me, who you really think is more lyrical? Cause every time I go somebody gotta see the medical, and every time I come